today I'll demonstrate a paper prototype for IS3 work. So our calendar will pop up with this window, and we'll start with day view. So here you can see day, months, and all events, and timeline. So I'll show you how to add a new event. So you click to options, new event, and this window is pop up. You're adding event, for example, you're adding IS3 lab, location, you fill in all this form. You can also repeat this event every week, every day, every month, every year. And then you press OK. It will show up here, and also here. Similarly, you can just right click whatever in time where you choose it, right click, and same window will pop up. You do same operations, and you can add new event. So it will be meeting with clients, and you also can see it here. So now let's move on to week view. So here you can see week view, and all events that you just added on Thursday will be shown up here. Also here you can add events, just simply right click here, same form will pop up. You're just adding all information you need, and it will show up here. So next we will go to month view. Here you can see all your month's tasks by day. Also, if it's more than 3, you can just scroll up your tasks. Next is list. Here you have all your tasks that you added to the calendar, and you can scroll it like this. If you choose any event, it will show you information about it, time, when it starts and ends, and busiest and quietest day in all your events. So if you click like for busiest day, it will redirect you to day, and you can see this event. So next, you also can add categories. You just need to click options, new category, fill this form, and for example you add new category university, and you add new category sport. For example, you can search like by categories. You unticked home, university, and sport. Just leave the work, and we'll get rid of all non-work categories. So you just see like this. And same will be with week, months, and list. You just see just work categories. So next, let's move on to search. So our searching method is searching by keyword. So you put in here just typing meeting, and it will pop up window with all events containing meeting word. So have meeting with clients on Thursday, team meetings on Friday. So you can see date and day. So next is our advanced options. So if you click options, you click advanced, it will pop up this window, little window, have time, petrol consumption, or fuel emission. If you click this button, this new screen will pop up, and it will calculate you for 1 week period your fuel consumption, your fuel emissions measured in cubic meters, and do you have time to visit all your events? No, or similarly yes. So if you click here, it will disappear. Click again here, it will disappear. So thank you for watching.